SDF Pro by Adroit.di. I'm going to show you the ability of the system to search large volumes of data very quickly. Because it takes a little while to upload and index things, here is a database I populated earlier. It has just over 9.6 million molecules in, one molecule per row. And it's an example if you want to search all the different suppliers together. I've downloaded a bit of information from each of them and then duplicated it and merged it to create this data set. I'm now going to search the data set. You can upload different files types to search with, or you can draw your own. I'll just draw a very simple molecule there that I know I'm going to find, as it's a demo. And for that, you can substructure search, exact search, similarity search. And the similarity, you've got Tanimoto, Tversky, Euclid Cub, sorry. But for this one, we'll do a substructure search, as I believe it's quite a tough one to do. And this will demonstrate to you how quickly it's going to go. I'll click Start Now. And as we're looking, it's searching across the 10 files. It's finding matches for each of those. And there you go, it's finished. I didn't time it, but I think you'll agree it's very quick, especially at the price point. This is the standard $60 to manage 10 million rows, full production version, and what you see is what you'll get. So then to refine that further, if you want to pull out of those the information you've just found, you can select merge, and then we'll just combine all the data that we have found there. So all the rows and all the columns, so all the data about each of the matches to the substructure that we have here. The various data sets are set to read only because you're trying to read from them. So if you go in and alter them while they're being read, it doesn't work. So here you go. Here is the result. You have 132 molecules. As you can see, there are quite a few duplicates in there. That's down to me creating the large data set. So you can see it's fairly useful. You've managed to find that within there. However, what you can do is do a true merge across that data set. So normally you would just merge file into file into file, but because it's selected them and found them, it's going to merge and remove all the duplicates. And as you can see, there are only 19 rows of individual molecules now within that. It's also removed a few columns because it realized there's duplicate data within there. And you can, of course, go in and draw a structure and filter down, or you can open things up and have a look and edit, but you can filter by attribute. So imagine you want to have a look at the catalog ID, find out the empty cells that don't have a catalog ID, and you can continue on to refine like that. It's a Boolean search algorithm, and then when you're done, you can simply download the file as a zip file if it's big, or not, you can export it. So if you were searching and trying to refine for molecules to buy with a certain substructure across a database of 9.5 million, you just did it and you downloaded it ready to put into your purchasing system. You can also do it with your own files, etc. If you want to have a demo or have any questions, please drop me a note and I'll happily get in touch.